Open with a hook. The X-Pro line has been beloved by street photographers for years. Today we're talking about the next gen, the X-Pro4. Explain what this video covers, specs rumored and confirmed, design, features, who it's for, whether you should wait or buy now. Briefly remind, this is not fully confirmed yet, many specs are rumored. 2. History and positioning of the X-Pro series. The X-Pro1 launched in 2012, followed by X-Pro2. Then X-Pro3, the series is known for its rangefinder styling and hybrid viewfinder optical plus electronic. The hybrid viewfinder is a key differentiator. It lets you switch between an optical view OVF and an electronic view EVF. Many Fuji users expect the X-Pro4 to carry on the tradition with modern upgrades. According to several sources, the camera is in development. Rumored specs: 4-ohm-APS-C X-Trans CMOS sensor, in-body image stabilization IBIS of approximately 7 stops. Improved hybrid viewfinder may be redesigned. Video rumored 4K 6OP 10-bit, possibly ProRes Blackmagic. Raw via HDMI. The X-Pro series is known for retro styling. Physical dials shutter speed, ISO, exposure, metal body, rangefinder aesthetic. Because of the hybrid viewfinder, the body layout is distinct. EVF window on the top left corner from photographer's perspective. Expect weather sealing and robust build as premium body. For video creators, if video specs are confirmed, you'll want good internal support mic in, possibly headphone out, good screen articulation, etc. 5. Key features and upsides. Sensor image quality. A 40MP APS-C sensor would give high resolution in a compact rangefinder style body. Hybrid viewfinder, great for street reportage. Travel photography optical gives low lag. EVF gives exposure preview. IBIS if present helps handheld shooting, low light, slower lenses. Film simulations. Fuji is good at JPEG color output, and many users value the in-camera film simulations. Lens ecosystem. Fuji X-mount has many high-quality lenses, primes especially, that fit the rangefinder style shooting. 6. Limitations and things to consider. If the video specs are only 4K 6OP versus higher-end 6K, 8K, some videographers might feel restricted. Price. Premium models tend to be expensive. If the body remains similar size, weight of previous X-Pros, might still be somewhat niche for serious enthusiasts rather than casual buyers. Availability. Since it's not yet fully confirmed, tested widely, there might be waiting periods, firmware issues, etc. If you already have a recent Fuji X series camera, for example, XT5, XH to ask if you need the upgrade. Street photographers who love discreet rangefinder style bodies and want top image quality. Travel documentary shooters who value build quality and classic controls. Photographers who already shoot Fuji and have X-mount lenses, they'll benefit the most. If you own a recent Fuji camera and your needs are satisfied, you might wait for X-Pro4 or its successor.